Okay, this is my subdivision, my cul-de-sac. As you can see, we got a great team effort going out here. All our neighbors are helping each other. Everybody's helping everybody dig out from the big snowstorm of 2011. As you can see, the big high snow drifts we got going on here. We got the kids helping out. We got all the neighbors. We got a couple of them over here who've already got themselves dug out. We got the snow blowers going. Big team effort going on here. Gotta say, I live in a great subdivision. Everybody's out helping everybody. And all this work going on here, trying to dig out of the blizzard of 2011. There we go. And the effort goes on. This is going to be an all-day thing. Well, we got everybody out here pitching in, trying to get it back so we can all get back to work tomorrow. Blizzard of 2011.